today?
Okay, it's an old road cafe in Pacific Highway. So we're going through Dural to Heights, Rora Heights,
Mysore.
Rora Bora. We're catching a ferry, and then we're going to an old cafe. It'll be fun. Let's check it out.
Rolling. Alright, these are riders for the day, and we're rolling. Bikes have been fueled up.
Can you tell me something about your bike? What bike do you have?
This is Scarlett Fat Boy.
Okay.
And
What model?
2009 or 10 model.
Okay. And for how long you been driving in Australia?
I'm riding this bike since last 2 years. And I love my bike.
When did you start this group?
Couple of years ago.
Okay. And how many active riders do you have now?
There are, let's say 10.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yes.
And what
20
bike
plus.
do you drive?
Posty bike, but it's a big one.
Which year?
2013.
Harley Davidson Road King. Hi, Karan Kanchan here, riding with the team for the last couple of years. Pista 650, 2012, 120,000 kilometers on it.
Would you like to talk about the voluntary thing you did with the Cancer Council?
Oh yeah, thanks. Just completed a 1 kilometer ride, 1 kilometer swim really. It was for the Canto Foundation, where we raised almost $380,000